Hello guys, welcome again to another video. My name is Nestor Armstrong and I'm part of the Etoro Popular Investor Program. I wanted to take the time to update about the portfolio. We closed several positions in profit. You should see it reflected on your accounts for the people who are copying me. For the people who are following me and my trades, I've decided to close some of my stock positions because we are nearing all-time high on the Standard & Poor's 500. Thankfully, copier profitability has not been affected. Copier profitability is a very important metric for me because it indicates that I am doing my job well in taking care of your money. Right now, I'm preparing to open several positions, but due to some technical difficulties on the Etoro platform, I was not able to perform them today. But I have plans and already have them placed in order so that we can start buying back our positions. Now, I'm in no way or form ready to get it back into the market just yet because we are reaching all-time highs and the market right now is not reflecting the actual economy. Businesses are not coming back as they intended, and as a business owner, I can tell you myself that we have not been seeing the amount of money flow that we were expecting to. Clients are not eager to let go of their cash because they are still looking and being wary of what will happen on the near future. Now that you're up to speed to what happened, I want to explain why it happened. One of the cardinal rules that value investors have, and one of the cardinal rules Warren Buffett has, is buy low and sell high. Buy on bad news and sell on good news. And when the market decided to go up into all-time highs on Friday, that was a clear confirmation that the market is not reflecting the truth about the companies, the truth of how the money is flowing, the truth of how people are deciding to spend and to save their money. Right now we can be certain that there is a clear disconnection between what's being told and what's happening actually. And part of the people that are perpetrating that problem are the institutions who think that printing more money is the answer to this kind of crisis, which it isn't. It's a very counterintuitive approach because many people see right now that the market that the S&P 500 is going to the 3,200, 3,200s for those looking at outside America. Why are you selling? Why would you do that? Because I buy low and sell high. That's the rule. I still think the companies that I sold were undervalued, but I can see that the market right now is not at the level that it should be, as it should be reflected. All countries are going into debt. All countries have historical levels of unemployment. The businesses that were in the beginning of the pandemic, many of them are not coming back. So why, if we are not in the same conditions that we were back in February, are we returning to those levels? It doesn't make any sense. People can't go out of their houses, so they cannot spend that kind of money. So it doesn't add up the way we're seeing the indices grow with what the actual news are. Because essentially, we are hearing now are bad news. Countries going into debt, people getting unemployed, those are bad news. But we are not seeing the indices reflect that. In theory, I should be buying right now, but there isn't any opportunity. Stocks are going higher, even though they have told us on their earnings report that they should expect lower numbers due to the pandemic. So how come companies that are making less have more value to offer? What do you think? Is the market really reflecting what you're seeing out on the streets, what you're hearing on the news, and what you are seeing with your own eyes? Let me know in the comment sections below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this content. My name is Nestor Armstrong, part of the Etoro Popular Investor Program, and I hope you stay safe and trade smart.